Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the machine and materials so threading goes smoothly. Turn the machine off and raise the presser foot to release tension, then fit a heavy-duty needle, 16/90 or 18/110, so it matches your fabric. Thread the spool onto the pin and tension disc. Wind a metal bobbin with the same heavy thread, leaving a 2 to 3 inch tail so it grabs. Once done, place the wound bobbin in the case correctly. Make sure the thread feeds in the direction specified for your Singer model. Now you'll thread the top path carefully because heavy thread needs clear guides. Pull the thread from the spool and lead it down between the tension discs, making sure it seats properly so tension works. Bring it up to the take-up lever and hook it through the lever eye. This controls stitch formation. Continue through the upper guides, checking the thread snaps into each notch. This prevents bunching. Finally, thread the needle front to back unless your model specifies otherwise. Keep a bit of tension so the thread doesn't wrap. Finish by bringing the bobbin thread up. Hold the top thread gently and turn the handwheel toward you 1 to 2 full revolutions until the bobbin thread catches and pulls up. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot, lower the foot, set a medium-long stitch length for heavy material, and sew a short test on scrap. If you get skipped stitches or bunching, change to a new heavy needle and reseat the thread between the tension discs. That single reseat often fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.